Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another scan code video. Today we'll be taking a look at some exotic Mattel figures. So these are some unusual species that we don't get a lot of repaints of and that we weren't expecting to see in the lineups. And some of them are quite rare, so hopefully this can help you guys with completing your scan code collection. So let's start off with Proceratosaurus. This one's one of my favorites. It's really cool that they decided to do a creature like this, as in previous Hasbro and Kenner lineups, they had crocs similar to that guy. Here we have Sarcosuchus. Be cool for them to make a Dinosuchus as well, as that's a big fan favorite. But glad to see this guy made it into the lineup. Let's do Styracosaurus. I'm still on the hunt for the other version of this, but here is the original and Sauropelta. Here we go. Feel free to pause the video and scan if I'm not holding it for long enough. Here we've got the plesiosaurus. And the Quetzalcoatlus. And the Dimetrodon. This one's also a really cool figure. Really neat. And let's move on to some medium-sized figures like the Irritator. And this one's also really cool. We've got the Margasaurus. Very cute. And the Cyats. Let's grab the Sinoceratops from, or not Sinoceratops, the Nazutoceratops from Battle at Big Rock. A really neat gimmick that they included these figures. Would have been even better if they had a baby Sino, and I think the female or male. It would have been neat to see those as figures as well. Or, a better Allosaurus, like a bigger one. It's kind of, they used the juvenile's body from Fallen Kingdom. So here's the Tarbosaurus, and I just did the Edmontosaurus. I'm gonna knock them over. Let's do Cryolothosaurus next. Still need to get that Cryolotho repaint. Hasn't appeared in Canada just yet. And the Margasaurus. One of the dinosaurs that they used to make the Indominus Rex. Pretty cool. And that is all of these scan codes here. Hope I could help you guys out in getting some of these exotic dinosaur scan codes. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.